we are opening a lunchbox full of blind bags and so much cool stuff. So it's a Strawberry Shortcake lunchbox, and I really love it. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, look how much stuff we have. So let's take it all out and close this. Okay, so let's see. We have 2 Kinder Surprise eggs. Oh, we have my favorite, Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Oh, I love them. We have Littlest Pet Shop. I love Littlest Pet Shop. We have My Little Pony. We have Care Bears. Oh, I love Care Bears. We have Hello Kitty. We have Minions. Season 2 Shopkins basket. Mash'ems. It's a Flappy Bird Mash'ems. And we have My Little Pony Mash'ems. So let's get started. I think I really want to do Care Bears first. Okay, I'm so excited. I really want to open this Care Bear. So let's get started. Ooh, what did we get? Oh, this looks so cool. We got Best Friend Bear. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. She has a little rainbow on her belly. And I really want to jump into the Hello Kitty. Yay. So let's just jump into that. Okay, so, oh my precious, it's so pretty. A My Little Pony. I really want Fluttershy, but I really do like Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash. I love all of them. So I really hope I collect all of them when I get them. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this looks really cool. We have Lilac Breezy. Oh my gosh. Let's spread out her wing. She's so pretty. She's a flying pony. She looks like a butterfly flying pony, kind of. And here's this. Oh, this looks really cool. So she won't stand up, so I'm just gonna leave her like that since she won't stand up. I'm going to do Minions. So here's all the characters you can get. I really want the maid one and the purple one. Okay, finally got the stand open. We have Minion Tim, and he has a tube gun. Okay. He's so cute. So I'm just gonna put his foot in the hole. Yeah. Okay, Minion Tim. Yeah. Okay, I want to do the LPS blind bags. I really can't stand that they don't make up cute little names for these. So if you know their names or you've heard them on the show, because sometimes they'll bring in guest characters, please subscribe and tell us their names, because I really don't like that they won't show you the names. But I'm going to make one up. Oh my goodness, it all came. This is a little horse, and it comes with an apple. Trying to get the apple in. Well, I can't get the apple in, but so cute. Oh, look at her little tail. I think I'm going to name her Strawberry. I like that name. Okay. Put her over here. Okay. So next I want to do the fashions or mashums. My Little Pony. I really want Fluttershy. I really want Fluttershy. Okay. Ooh, found the tear strip. Yay. There. Whoa, that came flying out. We have Twilight Sparkle. No, this is not a Princess Twilight Sparkle because she doesn't have her wings. She has a cutie mark. You want to see the cutie mark? She's so pretty. Okay, very squishy. Okay. So now I'm going to do Flappy Bird. It's a big, if you don't know what Flappy Bird is, it's a big fancy game in Asia. People play it on their phones. So it's basically like Angry Birds, but Asian version. It's Angry Birds and Mario Brothers mix, so that's kind of cool. Or so I've been told. Oh my gosh, these things are big. They're bigger than they are. They look smaller on camera, but they're bigger in real life. So I don't think they come with names, but this is the main character, I think. I don't know. Okay. I want to do the Shopkins next. Oh, by the way, guys, please subscribe to our channel. We have 3 full cases of the Shopkins Season 2 baskets, plus like 10, 12 packs. So we're going to do a lot of Shopkins videos if you really like Shopkins. So subscribe to our channel if you want to see more Shopkins. Okay. By the way, guys, I've not memorized all their names, so if I say their names wrong, I'm sorry. So I'm going to, but, okay. I wonder what we get. Wonder what we get. Get it. It looks like tinfoil. We have, her name is Alfoil, or he. Now let's open the other surprise bag. So exciting. I know I see shut eyes, so the eyes are closed. Whoa, that went flying across the room. I think her name is Boohoo Onion. We got Boohoo Onion in orange. Now I really want to open, guys, I really want to open the chocolate surprise egg. So I'm going to open the Mickey chocolate surprise egg. So exciting. Okay, so take off the foil. Ooh, it's kind of oil. Whoa, that shattered. Look at our capsule. Let's see. Okay, I got it open. Oh my gosh, we have Donald Duck. So I'm gonna get him out of the package real quick. But here are all the characters you can collect on the chocolate surprise eggs. These are really good, so I need to clean that mess up. Okay. Here's our Donald Duck. He is, I think he's leaning on a globe. Yep, that's what he's leaning on. Now let's just sweep this off to the side. Sweepity sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep. Just bring that over there. Bring that over there. Now let's open the Minnie. Minnie and Daisy are my favorite characters in Mickey Mouse movies and Mickey Mouse shows. Let's just open this. Hopefully we can open it without the mess. Ooh, yay! So let's open our capsule. Ooh, we have ooh, okay, so in this capsule we have all the minis you can get, and let's build it. So let me build it. I don't know what those are. Here's the mini list, and you can pick her facial expressions actually. So like it comes with the eye stickers that you can put on her eyes, and I think her feet, they're broken. I don't think she has any shoes on. I'm gonna put, oh, I see now. Okay, so the instructions. Now which facial expression to choose? I'm going to choose surprised. I think you can actually change out the facial expression. Okay, the character is built. It's a mini. Oh, she's so adorable. Her little purse is very far off her. We'll put her with Donald Duck. I wish we got a Mickey for Minnie. So let's just sweep that chocolate over there. So I'm going to put everything back into my Strawberry Shortcake lunchbox. So get this Flappy Bird, and we have My Little Pony. I love her wings. I'm so excited that I got her. We got My Little Pony mushrooms. Yep. We got a Little Pet Shop horse, and that's very adorable. We got a minion with a tooting gun. So cute. We got Donald Duck, and her purse fell off, but we got Minnie. She's very pretty, actually. We have Boohoo Onion and alfoil. Guess I want to put that card in there. Whoa. We have Friendship Bear. She's purpley and pinky. She's purple and pink. We have a Princess Hello Kitty. That's all we have. There. Thank you for watching this episode of Lunchbox Blind Bag. We have lots of different Lunchbox Blind Bag videos that we think you will enjoy. So become a subscriber and watch our videos. Yay!